Hello, Hiren. Thank you very much for your time. So here's a few comments on the website. Sorry. Okay. So in the About Us pages, this section, it's not possible to click back. So if you take a look at this one, About Us, open, close, open, close. And here we can only open, and there's no sublink. So if you could add a module where we can close the section as well, it would be really appreciated. Okay, the main menu, look here. When we scroll down, the menu here stays on top. When we scroll down, there's no menu here. I guess it's just small settings. Next, there's the breadcrumb here. Really useful for SEO. If you could add a breadcrumb just like this one, it would be really good. So just below this menu section. Alright, next, on the mobile version, the logo is not clickable. So it would be good if we could click on the logo. The menu disappears, so there's no more menu option. So make sure to add the menu on every internal pages. This button, yeah, this button is not the same. Look at this button on the mobile version and look at the one here. It's fully centered, and it's more on the right. So if we could just make sure it looks the same. Well, at least I don't mind if there's two sections. I'd like the button to be centered here. On the mobile version, the text is not centered, so make sure this and this is perfectly centered. Okay, yeah. That's good, that's good. Look at here, the text is like cut. If you could just make sure it's down there, it would be good. That's fine. Obviously, if you're capable to have this part, it would be really nice to have this part, the top left call to action, to call and to get a quote. If not, that's no big deal. Yeah, on the desktop version, look, there's a small gap right here. I'm going to zoom in quickly so you can see. Okay. Look here, there's a small gap, and look here, there's no gap. So nothing too big, nothing too critical, but if you could fix this, it would be really nice. Other than that, that is good. Obviously the speed is really important for us, so I'd like the speed to be at least 80 on the mobile version, and I know it'll be fast on the live server, but it would be really appreciated if you could make sure the website is very fast. This one's good. Oh. Let me compare this page. Okay, so here's on the pricing page on the original website, there's one pricing at a time, and on this one, there's 2 modules at a time. I prefer having one module for the whole space. Actually, yeah. And that is pretty it. So the breadcrumb on the service page, on the right side, that is very important to make sure the module can be easily closed. And there could be like sublinks below. Make sure this module could always scroll down. So if you go here, about us, the module always need to be able to scroll down. So if I go here and I scroll down, the module followed me. Look here, the module followed me. It scrolls down, so we can always convert the user online. Last thing, if you could add these 2 buttons would be really great. If not, that is fine. And yeah, that is pretty. Thank you very much, Hiren. Look forward to keep working with you. I'm sorry for the delay. I know it's been really long since I've shared my comments on the website, but thank you very much again. Hopefully we'll keep working together. I might have a lot of jobs to be done in the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned and talk soon. Okay, thank you very much.